Guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 15th of July 2025. We're trading the boom crash, boom 300 index. We're trading the accumulator right here, and we're on the D trader. So the thing is, we have to wait. Make sure you're watching the statistics because it's going to reset, and when it resets, we're going to buy. When it resets, you're going to see. You can see it's counting, it's counting, it's counting. You have to keep watching. So once you log into your trading account, once it resets, it's going to start from zero. Once you log into your trading account, this is how this strategy works. Log in, go to boom 300 index. Then here the trade type is accumulator. Set this to 2%. Set this to 14. It depends on how much you want to stake. You can stake high, but I'm staking 14 right there. And set the take profit to 2.5 USD. We're going to trade like 4 or 5 times once it resets, and when it resets, I'm going to show you it's going to start from zero again. So you have to watch. So once it's reset, we're going to buy. We're watching the statistics right there, and once it's reset, you see there's going to be a change here on the chart. You're going to see either a quick upward or downward movement. So let's just wait. It might take a while. It's 144. You can see. I set my dims to dark mode. You can set it to clear mode, depends on what you want. Sometimes it resets so fast, it can get to 30 and reset back to 0, and sometimes it takes a very long time, so you have to keep watching. So I'm actually going to increase my TP to 4, but once I increase it to 4 or 5, we're going to trade just few times. But if it's 2 point something, because it can reset anytime. So once it's reset, you can place like 2 or 3 because you start counting again. Make sure you're watching the statistics and make sure you have a strong internet connection. So you can see it has reset to 0 now. It started from 1, 2, 3. So let's see. Let's see. You can see the profit section right here. Still counting. So once that one hits the profit, we're gonna click it. You can see if that's one profit, you buy again. Still counting. So your mouse will be here. So once it's getting to like 60 or thereabout, you buy again. That's another one. We want to trace it as a third one. Once you get to like 60, you stop buying and you wait for it to reset again. You can see the profit margin right there. You can see. Okay, so we made 12 USD there, so it's getting close to 60. You're gonna stop again and wait for it to reset back to 0. So once it's reset back to 0, you start trading again. So that's how this strategy works. I hope you guys understood. So you log into your trading account, go to the boom 300 index, go to the trade type accumulator, set this to 2%, set the amount you want to trade. You can start with 2 point something USD or 4 point something, but don't enter a huge profit right here. 4, 5 is okay. Then watch the statistics right there. So that's how the strategy works. So let's go back to the buy sell indicator. You can see this trade is already racking 23, and this is red, but it's going to win. So I'm going to close this and make 22 point something. This one as well, let's wait for it to hit more profit right there. This is a buy sell indicator. It works on Deriv and other Forex book platform that support MT5. Just attach it to your chart and buy and sell. Once it shows this, you sell. Once it shows the light blue, you buy. So that's how it works, and we're still giving it away for free. For those who want this indicator and our buy, the toss scalper bot, the pip stripper bot, and other infos, check the video description on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. So these are the links right there to order the pip stripper bot. Is the link to order the pip stripper bot, and this is step to get the indicator for free. As a buy sell indicator, you must sign up for a trading account using this link right there. Check the video description. Subscribe to these channels. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Then send an email with the subject free indicator to this email address. For the last 3 digits of the account, you just sign up for. Once we verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, this is a link to order the indicator for $12. And our pip stripper board has a link to order it. The link to order our toss scalper boat is right there. Both works on Deriv, and they're automated. And this is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. And the links to subscribe to our channels and other infos are right there in the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. You see it's going to reset soon, and you can go again, buy for like 3-4 times before it hits 60, then you stop and wait for it to reset. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.